Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Sam. Life around him was quiet, but his mind was not. Even on calm days, he kept thinking about the past and worrying about the future. He wanted to calm his mind, but he did not know how. Sam shared his worries with his father. His father said, "There is an old man who lives with wolves on the other side of the mountain. He helps restless minds. No medicine, just wisdom. Go and see him." Tired of the noise in his head, Sam decided to go. After days of walking, Sam reached the top of the mountain and saw a wooden house in the middle of the trees. Outside the house, he saw a man feeding a wolf. Sam said respectfully, "I have traveled for days to seek your wisdom. Can you help me calm my mind?" The wolfman said, "You have come a long way, but are you ready for the task that will calm your mind?" Sam replied, "Yes, I am ready to do whatever it takes." The wolfman said, "The thoughts that disturb your mind exist in your surroundings. So to calm your mind, you must learn to ignore what exists around you. Now listen carefully. Walk north through the jungle until you reach a river. Drink water from it, then come back to me. On the way, you will cross wolf territory. If you hear them, stay calm, don't rush, walk steady. If you panic, you will look like prey, and you may not return." The wolfman gave Sam a candle in a lantern and said, "This flame is your limit. Make it back before it fades." Sam took a deep breath and started his journey toward the river. During the journey, the forest was dark and quiet. Sam heard the wolves howling multiple times, but he stayed calm and focused on the task. Hours later, Sam finally reached the river. He drank water from it and started his journey back. He heard more wolves howling, this time even closer. But he was so determined to complete the task that his mind kept ignoring what he was hearing. By sunrise, he reached back while the candle was still lit. Sam said, "I did it." The wolfman looked at him and said, "There was no magic in the water you drank. The magic was in the journey. You trained your mind to stay calm under pressure. You did not allow fear to control your attention. You emptied your mind of useless thoughts and kept only the important ones. Now here is the truth. My wolf was behind you the whole time, silently keeping danger away from your path. If you knew you were protected, your mind would not have grown. You would not have learned control. The lesson only worked because you believed you were alone." Sam was amazed by the deep lesson he had learned by completing this task. He went back home with a mind that was no longer fighting him. Later, Sam started living a peaceful life and started achieving his goals. He proved that a calm mind comes from avoiding bad thoughts and focusing on the good ones, and that when you control your attention, you control your life. If you liked this story, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss our next motivational stories with powerful lessons.